So as I've mentioned in another video, one of the things about BYD Seal in Thailand is that you get this free gift. So we're going to open it up and have a look at it. One of the things I'm worried about is that once I get this thing out of the bag, I may never be able to get back in again. So there's obviously a technique for folding it. Instructions seem to be in Chinese, which isn't going to be particularly helpful. A little tricky to do it one-handed, so I think I'm going to take it off camera. So not ideal filming conditions because it's very bright sunshine, but that is the back of the glass sunroof cover, and that is the front one, and I'm going to have an attempt off camera to fit it and show you what it looks like. So the back one went in pretty easily. Obviously there's a lot of space in the back. Here in the front I probably should have been sitting in the passenger seat, but anyway, let's have a go. My goodness, it's done. Well, that's actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. So it's all fitted, one-man job, and it wasn't that difficult once I worked out which way around it should have gone. And you see these little clips here, they just clip into the head lining. Yeah. So the conditions aren't exactly the same as when I did the earlier reading, but let's just have a look at the temperature now. 28, 29. Okay, so it's a little bit cooler, but I don't know how much of that is the changing conditions. Yeah, not bad for a freebie.